Good day, ma'am. I am Cassie Tresnari and I will now perform the serial dilution following with the three methods which are pour plate, spread plate, and strip plate. So I have here my sample which is orange juice, these glasses as my alternative to test tube, this microwavable container as my petri dish, and I will also be using the 1 ml syringe for my alternative as pipette in serial dilution. For doing the serial dilution, I will first label the containers and the glasses so that I won't be confused during the process of my serial dilution. These labels are 10 to the negative 1, this is 10 to the negative 2, 10 to the negative 3, and lastly 10 to the negative 4. This goes for the microwavable containers for the three methods which are pour plate, spread, and strip plate. So I will now start my serial dilution. This is my sample containing 10 ml of orange juice, and this glasses right here contains a 9 ml of water. I will now transfer a 1 ml of sample into the glass which is labeled as 10 to the negative 1. I will use a new syringe for the next dilution. Okay, so for the pour plate method, I am planning to use just one syringe. So I will start with the most diluted sample, which is 10 to the negative 4 up to 10 to the negative 1. Okay. I will transfer a 1 ml of sample into the microwavable container, which is my alternative to petri dish. I will now be doing the spread plate method. For this method, I will also be using just one syringe, so I will start from the most diluted sample. As my alternative spreader, I will be using a wire with an L shape. And now I will start my streak plate method. I will be using a cotton swab for this procedure. Okay, so for this part, I will be doing the colony counting using my plate, which is labeled as 10 to the power of -3 from the method of spread plating. Okay, so I will be using this marker to dot the colonies for easy tracking. The total of colonies in this plate is 161. Okay, so I will be using this formula, which is colony forming units divided by ml, which is the number of colonies, or CFU, divided by volume of plate, ml, times dilution factor. The final answer of the colony forming unit is 161,000 CFU ml. And then the final answer in scientific notation is 1.61 times 10 to the -7 CFU. So that is my colony count for the plate 10 to the -3 and the method of spread plate.